stock. I'm talking about the overall market recovery. You know, all the news flow is now behind us and the market is where it is. Hasn't moved anywhere. So what will happen next is, of course, the big question. But anyway, getting set for the opening bell this morning. We're starting off pretty much around where we left it off yesterday. Let's see what the opening bells are indicating. 25,389. So now decisively sub the 25,400 print for sure. Circling around that mark as we speak. Flat for the Nifty Bank as well. Let's see what Nifty metals, what Nifty IT are up to, because they seem to be more sensitive sectors per se of late. Auto, of course, is seeing marginal bit of green. Consumer durables, oil and gas marginally higher, as is FMCG. But IT is the one which is languishing, and that's your top sectoral drag today. 1% lower for Nifty IT. Marginally soft for Nifty Realty as well, and that's the case. Flat for pharma, flat for Nifty Bank, flat for Nifty metals as well. So not really seeing a whole lot of move really anywhere. Let's check in then on the newsmakers this morning. Like we've been flagging off, Texmaco RVNL, a JV to manufacture and execute global rail EPC projects. Railtail after that order win. They spaced Digitech, which has received an advanced LOA worth about almost 8,900 crore rupees from Railtel. Wari Energies in discussions with the Andhra government to set a 20 gigawatt factory involving an investment of about 8175 odd crore rupees. So that's the other stock in focus. Federal Bank, which has received an income tax refund order, totals about 686 odd crore rupees. Zydus Life should be seeing some relief at least. The US FDA inspection is closed, and with nil observations, Zydus Life 0.5% higher. Very muted reaction to that news flow. And then Apollo Pipes, wherein a promoter group member has purchased 5.25 lakh shares from the open market. What that stock as well is going to be doing is something that we're keeping on our radar. ABB India came out with its numbers. The Q4 numbers are largely in line with estimates, and the revenue gains have been across all business segments for them. A big gap up move for ABB India, and this is not such a liquid stock or doesn't see such exaggerated moves. 4.5% higher. That's a meaningful move on ABB. Other than that, of course, this Karur Vysya Bank as well, which has cut its lending rates by 10 basis points across tenors. Or for that matter, Fortis Healthcare as well, which is a newsmaker this morning. NTPC Green, it's commissioned a solar project, about almost 165 megawatts. So that's the other stock which is also in focus this morning. What about ONGC, HDFC Life, Oil India? Let's address the movers from yesterday. And then, of course, the big drags, M&M, Interglobe Aviation, Adani Ports, Eternal, Kotak Bank, Reliance, of course, was a big drag yesterday. Maruti, Bharti, they were all languishing. Some amount of stability, but can't really say that we're out of the woods.